could your spouse be the breadwinner?
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely.
No, I ask that because I hear a lot of females say, if a man makes less than me, they can't be with him.
Yeah, or they couldn't respect him as the head, and that's where I don't understand that.
Yeah, I disagree.
Yeah, and that's where I feel like that particular type of woman, or those women, or women like that, period, in this world, doesn't deserve to have a complete man. They deserve to have somebody that's not really going to do what they need to be doing by them, because that's the wrong way of going about it.
Yeah, it is.
You understand what I'm saying? Like, my wife had always been making way more money than me. Mm-hmm. I don't care. As long as you do your part, I do my part, we meet in the middle.
Exactly.
No, and that's what I was trying to allude to. So for a man, we don't care about if a woman makes more or not.
Not by far.
But for a woman, that's a big ticket. Understand?
Yeah.
I mean, I have been told that before, and it's hurtful. Well, you bring a home high school check, but I'm busting my ass though.
Yeah, exactly.
I keep a job all year. I'm not slanging drugs.
Right.
I'm not trying to go for the fast money.
Yeah.
This is the guaranteed check every 2 weeks.
Right. They don't honor that. So this is the thing. Also, understand is if a man, and this is to women, if a man makes less than you, that doesn't mean he can't contribute.
Sure can.
Exactly. I think when they say a man makes less, it's synonymous with he can't contribute.
Man, you can make less and do way more than a person making more than you.
Absolutely.
It's all about how you structure your finances.
I could spend all my money and save all your money. Understand?
Exactly.
And that's a contribution, even if I'm making less.
Yeah.
So the notion that women won't date men that make less, y'all gotta have to chime in. Y'all gotta have to look at this and get in the comments and contact us. We want to know why. What is the rhetoric? What is the ideology behind that? I'm hearing it's too prevalent in 2022.
Yeah.
And then not only that, to add on to that, it's never good to belittle nobody. I mean, if anything, you're gonna always uplift and encourage the next person, your next neighbor. That's the purpose of God putting us here, to give us whatever gift that He had gave us. To pass it on, not destroy, not kill, not be on demon time.
Everybody on demon time.
Yeah.
Fabio.